What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Angel, and welcome to our very first vlog. So it is Corona right now, so we can't really do a whole lot, but we're gonna figure out something to do. Okay, we're gonna maybe go to a couple stores. We got a couple runs to make, so we're gonna do that. And so yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna go get the kids, see if they ready. Oh, there they go, right there. What's up, guys? Say hi to the vlog.
So YouTube, it's your boy Tyler. It's your girl Taylor.
And it's the TTA gang. Okay, yeah. And we got another special guest here. She's here pretty often. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog. How you doing? Good? Okay. All right, y'all. We about to get ready to go, so y'all get yourselves together, and we're gonna go ahead and head out. Okay. All right. So we about to head out. We actually got another special guest here too. India's mom. Say hi to the vlog, mom. Say hi. She's not feeling it right now. That's fine. It's okay. We're gonna go ahead and head out to a couple of stores. We gotta stop at Walmart. We got a couple of other stops to make, and then yeah, I don't know. We're gonna figure some things out. All right, guys. We see you in a second.
All right, YouTube. We in Walmart. Taylor. She just got done sleeping. Golly. They're yelling a lot.
You want to get some apples? India. Say hi.
Hi.
She's pushing the cart for us today.
All right. So we got everything. We got a lot of stuff. Crazy.
I'm trying to hurry up and get in and get out. You need milk?
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Here. Cheese.
Taylor, you got anything else you need from the store? Are you sure? Solid?
I'm good.
Everybody got everything they need? I can't tell you how hard it is to shop with 3 kids in the store. It's not easy.
Especially a 3-year-old. It's hard to shop in the store with a 3-year-old, and me and Taylor even think that. Cheese! See? Look at what. I know they don't.
Oh, you know what? I thought this was like a little mini box of cereal, but it's not.
Wow. They got Lucky Rice Krispie treats. That's crazy. I mean, if y'all saw it way before us, then you know what it's supposed to taste or look like. Okay, here we come.
Taylor.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So it is the next day. Ooh, that lighting. Okay. It's the next day. Today we are barbecuing for Memorial Day. I think it is. I hope it. Okay, sure. Memorial Day. Let's see if I can open this. There's ribs. It's really bright out. And it's hot today. It's super hot. Say hi, India. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Say hi. How you doing?
Good.
Good, good. We got a couple more people over here. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tay. And your boy Angel. Welcome.
Your boy Angel. What is going on today? I know it's hot, but Jesus.
I'm here, your boy Tyler, and welcome to TTA Game. Boy.
Okay, let me go look at it. This is my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Say hey, Dad, for it.
You going turbo nut. And what does that mean? Okay. What are you finna do?
Dibble and dabble.
Okay. We ready whenever you are. Tyler. Did you go turbo nuts yet? Whoa, be careful. Indy, where'd your bike go? Where's your bike, Indy? You gonna ride your bike? Okay, okay. Did you go turbo nuts yet? Go, Indy, go.
Oh my!
She went turbo nuts. That's how you go turbo nuts. Ooh.
It's hot down here.
Okay, so to cook we have what we having for food. We got
Having a barbecue.
I know, I showed him the barbecue, I saw ribs, but what else was it?
Chicken.
There's
macaroni.
chicken.
And then we got some, that's all I know. Chicken macaroni.
Oh, brats.
Yeah, brats.
I'm making
Scallops.
no, I'm making shish kebabs since I'm not eating any of the meat. I got some
She
chicken.
making scallops.
chicken and sausage and some veggies that I'm gonna put on a skewer, and we're gonna barbecue those. I also got some okra to barbecue because I heard that was good, so I want to try that.
So that's gonna be nasty, so.
Why are you hating? You such a hater. Jesus Christ.
My feet, alright, my feet good. My feet is going down already.
Well, anyway, I'm about to go in there and get started cooking. It's gonna be, whoa! Taylor, you almost hit me. You need to watch where you going. Thank you. I'm about to go in there and start cooking. So, yeah.
Yeah.
It's hot. It's hot today.
It's hot.
Okay. It's not nice. I don't like hot. Comment down below how you feel about heat. Do you like heat? I don't like heat. I don't like it at all. I wanted to make some Alfredo sometime this week. That's why I originally bought it. But I don't know if I was gonna try. I was gonna try to put it on these shish kebabs for some kind of way, but I don't know. I don't know. I ain't never made a shish kebab before.
Well, we do know what's going on.
What's going on?
Well, we have a barbecue
Correct.
for. I forgot. But we still having a barbecue.
It's a big old piece of eggplant.
That's how an eggplant looks.
Yep.
But it's supposed to be purple.
It is purple on the outside. I made some decent. You
did not hear that.
Get rid of these.
Well, you want to go say hi to the blog, Tyler?
He ain't say nothing.
Nothing.
We can't see you.
You hot? I probably saw air coming up on you right there.
Hey, Titi.
Can I eat some of that? I want to eat that.
Okay, Sandra.
What this?
No, that's green stuff.
This is zucchini.
Can I have some candy?
Here you go.
What is that?
Got some candy. You like that candy?
Mhm.
It's good. You like that?
Mhm.
Here, have another
No, she
piece.
still got that piece.
Here you go. Heat that up.
Harriet Peel.
Hit the folks, clap, sway hips, dum dum.
We got sick of trying to do the TikTok FYI and we are over it. We don't want to do it anymore, so we've moved on with our lives, and that's gonna be that. What's wrong? What's wrong with you? On your bike? So you upset?
You.
That ain't nothing to be upset about.
I said.
It could have been worse. Ain't that right, India?
You heard what she said?
What
So
she-
the one line she said, you.
Oh, she said I said.
Yeah.
Okay, you better correct it. You got something to say? I was looking at you. Now you gonna come around here. You wanna say something to the
I bet
people?
you gonna do me like hands.
You wanna say something to the people?
Uh-huh.
Say something.
Mom, we can cool down outside. I can sit out here like
I said.
She said.
Mom,
What?
bet you wanna beat me at hands.
You.
Alright, what?
I bet you wanna beat me at hands.
You a low down dirty lie.
Oh,
Tyler.
I'll beat you at hands.
Tell you something about your mama, okay?
Oh my God.
I come from a long line of can players, okay? A long line. So you don't tell me what I can't, Tyler. Listen, come this way. Come this way, cause you tripping right now. I don't know what's going on. Come here. You tripping right now. Yeah, you are. You are definitely. So, who you thought you was that you could go against me in some cans? Really? That's what you want to do with your life?
Yep.
Okay. So how about this? Let's make it interesting. Let's bet something. What's a good bet? Let's see.
Oh, I got
What?
it.
What?
The person that loses got to sleep in the car.
Gotta sleep in the car.
Yeah.
What car?
Yours.
When?
At night.
Hey, not. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna back out of it because guess what? I'm not afraid, so I'm not gonna back down. I'm cool with that. You just better be prepared to sleep in the car.
I'm ready.
Be prepared, Taylor. Taylor, you want a piece of this? You want a piece of this? Do you want a piece of this? You don't want none? She wants some, but she can't get none. You sure you don't want in on the cans? On the cans tournament?
I do.
You want in? You know what the bet is, right? Do you know what the bet? Did you heard us?
Yep.
You gonna sleep in the
sleep in the trunk.
Okay, in the trunk. He said in the car, but if you want to sleep in the trunk, that's fine.
Yeah,
too.
I'm sleeping in the trunk because there's a pillow back there.
Oh, I'm glad you know you gonna lose. That's good. That's good. Taylor, are you aware that you gonna lose too?
I think that I'm
You think you gonna win? Oh,
I beat you before. Don't.
okay.
Don't front.
All right, let's get it popping. I'm ready to get, cause they don't know what they just did. Okay, we about to get into it. You want to do this? You want to go against me? Put the ball down. Let's do rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors. Loser goes next round. Okay. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Rock paper scissors shoot. I won, so y'all go against each other.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
She won. Okay, me and Taylor first. Let's see that jumper. Let's see if she still got it. Oh, close. You ain't hit nothing yet. I said close. I mean, you could do 60 blowout. If I could get this. Loser. She ain't showing out for our family name right now. Girl, you supposed to hit my can. There you go. That's 20 that you probably wouldn't have hit. Shoot. One, 2, 3. Let's see. Say that. Trying to give you an excuse. This ain't that back in the day. Sidewalk used to be wider or something. Go ahead. Y'all should have played baby cans. We should have. You right. I'm about to switch baby cans so anybody got no point. We gonna play baby cans. No, we gonna play big mama cans. We gonna play granddaddy cans.
Come on, big mama can.
13 hours later.
Shut up.
Oh, man.
I don't know if it matters, but okay.
10.
Okay.
10. Hey. Oh. Hey. You hit it. Hey. Keep hitting. You hit about 5 more of them, you gonna blow her out if she don't hit nothing. Come on, Taylor. Bust it down. You gotta get down. No, she didn't.
Girl, oh my
She
God.
tried to roll it. Look at them eyes. Roll them. Yeah! Look, I'm jiggling the camera. That's me clapping.
Okay.
I'm ready. I'm here for Taylor to beat Angel. She can shoot the way she wants to. Woo!
Yeah.
About time. 30 seconds later.
Come on, we 20 up. We 20 up. Let's get it. I got my mojo on now. I think. We're gonna see if my mojo is on. Let's see.
It ain't there yet.
Well, at least she can't blow you out. You gotta go all the way to 100. And I don't know if you're gonna get there by shooting them them 10s, man. Come on. Drop it low. Her knees hurting. She don't got the Megan Thee Stallion 3000.
Alright, so we are currently at 60 her way, 80 over here. This is gonna be game point. Okay? Put it in the books, write it down. 100 right here.
And these baby cans.
You know what? Okay. That's fine. Alright, let's go.
Look, she got 80 and she got 60. She been hitting all 10s. She been shooting all 20s. Ain't no way they should be that close. No way. There's absolutely
Mama, can I
no
take
way.
that? Mama, can I take that?
Have a seat.
No, you need to bag back.
Yeah, you over the line. Technical foul.
Come on.
Dip it low, pick it up slow. You should have dipped it low.
Game point right here. This game right here. Too hard that time.
That was what?
Too hard that time.
That's funny. Oh my God, this baby got 70 to her 80.
Can I hold it, Mama?
This is a sad situation.
Can I hold it now? Mama, can I hold it now?
Come on, Taylor Wayler, get the ball.
She's not gonna beat me, and that's that. I put that on everything I love. She's not gonna beat me. I've been playing this game too long.
Woo! I feel bad for the family name on her. This one right here.
Come on, you ready? This is right here.
She said that was it.
There's too many bugs out here. That's the problem. I can't see. It's behind the line, baby. It's behind. Thank you.
Drop. You gotta when you shooting, you gotta pick it up. Like you gotta come up, like bounce up and shoot. SMH.
Come on, let me get my last. Come on. So I can get this
3
on my
hours later. They still going.
Okay, move back, move back.
Well, you shouldn't even pick yourself back up. You should have stayed where you was at.
Shut up.
You know how she said there is no losers here? If she lose, she's definitely a loser.
Can I hold the phone now?
Game.
Oh! 3 hours later.
What I say?
Can I hold that
What I say?
now,
100 to what she have 70.
She had a minor measly setback.
Go ahead and put it through your legs.
Can I hold that now, Mama?
Put the ball through your legs. Other way so we can see from the front.
I can't do it this way. I'm left-handed. All right, guys, so we are back home. It is nighttime and As you can see, I got my pajamas on, my bonnet and everything. I'm ready for bed, but I wanted to come back because, well, somebody got to make good on their promise tonight. We're going to see if they interested in doing that tonight. I don't know. We're going to see how they looking here. Hey, there you are. They look pretty ready to me. Do they look ready to you? Oh, yeah, so y'all really gonna do it. Y'all really gonna sleep in the car.
Yeah.
Are y'all sure about this?
We ain't no scaredy cat, and we go down for the challenge. If we gotta do the challenge, we're gonna do the challenge. Yeah, we're gonna do the challenge.
Okay.
We don't gonna miss some episodes of Jesse.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess let's just get to it because it's late. We gonna just go on. I don't feel so good about it, but okay. Come on, let's get to it. Come on, let's go on outside.
Okay.
All right, we outside. We really out here. I can't believe it's pitch black. They really about to do this. So where y'all sleeping at in the car? Jesus Christ. You sleeping in the trunk? Okay. Y'all, I mean, it's enough room in the trunk if you put the seat down. If you put the seat down, y'all both can sleep in there. You do realize that.
Fair. I want to sleep in here by myself.
Oh, I'm living in the passenger seat.
You want to sleep in the passenger seat?
Wait, no. I want to sleep back here.
So y'all sleeping back there.
Yep.
Y'all want to put the back seat down so it's more space?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
I'll do it. Here, hold the camera for a second.
Yeah, guys, so we sleeping in the truck. It's so freaking crazy. Like,
You want me to put your side down too, Tyler?
Give me
yeah.
both. Give me my pillow.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave y'all to it. I guess I'll see y'all in the morning then. I don't know. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm finna close the trunk. Move your feet.
Yeah, let's just go to sleep. Good night.
Good night, I guess. Watch your feet. Oh my God. These fools is really in the trunk. I mean, they really in the car. This is... I mean, making good on your promise is one thing, but Jesus Christ. Something else. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna go to bed, okay? Turn these lights off and I'm gonna just let them be. I guess a bed is a bed, so good night, y'all. Alright, it is 3:25 in the morning and I cannot sleep. They are still in the trunk. Let's go check on them or something. I'm gonna try to look out the window and see what's going on in there. See anything? I can't see. It's dark. Maybe they sleep.
Hey, you guys. So, we are currently in the truck. And, feels very good in here. Yeah. A lot of space. We're really going to sleep in this car. But you know, I asked to go and sleep in here before. Yeah, this is comfortable. I asked to go to sleep in here before. What? We're in here. Ew. Mm? What are you doing?
I don't see nothing. I don't know. Should I get them? Should I get them, guys? I want to get them. Like, I keep check. This ain't my first time up checking on them. I've been checking on them all night. I guess I'll just keep checking on them. I guess I'll just keep checking on them. I ain't betting no more. I'm not gonna bet anymore. This sucks. This really sucks. Alright, I guess first thing tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow. First thing, we got about 2 hours before sunlight. 2 hours. Okay? 2 hours. I can stay up for 2 more hours. Okay. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good night. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, it is the next morning. It's light outside. They've been in the car overnight. So I'm about to go get them. Let's go see how they did, how they feel. And they didn't try to come in one time. They didn't knock at the door, ring the doorbell, call me, nothing. So let's see. My car still is chilling. Oh, so one of them is up. Tyler? Tyler? Wake him up. Tyler, you want to wake up? It's morning time. Really? You slept that good? Taylor, did you sleep good? You did? Yeah. Okay. Come on, Tyler.
Two heads.
You had two what?
2 heads.
2 hands? Ain't nobody tell you to come out here without no pillow.
No, there was a pillow right here. The Taylor was in the way.
Oh, okay. All right, so you spent the whole night in the car on the bed. How was it? Tell us about it.
It was good. But P.S. I slopped in the car.
You bet. Okay. You better not. You better hope you do. Ooh, Taylor. Morning breath. All right.
Oh, P.S. My back hurts, so I'm going to go to
Okay. Well, I guess that's it for Tyler, y'all. Till next time, we are
the TTA
gang. That's right, y'all. We out. Peace out.
Peace.